Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss to you guys on how to become a web developer. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to become a web developer. To become a web developer, you need to have a good understanding of web development technologies such as HTML or hypertext markup language, CSS or cascading style sheet, JavaScript, and server-side programming languages such as Ruby or Python. You also need to be proficient in using web development tools such as text editors, version control systems, and testing frameworks. Here are some of the steps to help you become a web developer. Step number 1. By learning the basics of HTML or hypertext markup language in CSS or cascading style sheet, these are the building blocks of web development and will help you create static websites. Step number 2. Once you have a good understanding of HTML and CSS, start learning JavaScript. This will allow you to create interactive websites that correspond to your user input. Step number 3. Learn a server-side programming language such as Ruby or Python. This will allow you to create dynamic websites that can interact with databases and perform complex calculations. Step number 4. Become proficient in using web development tools such as text editors, version control systems, and testing frameworks. These tools will help you work efficiently and collaborate with other developers. Step number 5. The most important one. Practice, practice, practice. Build your own projects and contribute to open source projects to gain experience and improve your skills. The reference that I used in this presentation, OpenAI 2023 February 27, How to be a web developer, retrieved from https://blog.openai.com. How to be a web developer. Okay guys, so this is the end of our discussion on how to become a web developer. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.